Welcome to 20 Car. Picture a lightning bolt frozen in time, its energy harnessed and sculpted into carbon fiber, a symbol of humanity's pursuit of perfection. The 2025 Pagani Huayra BC Concept transcends the definition of a car. It is a philosophy in motion, an Italian aria racing through the ether at 350 km height. Each curve whispers a story, each edge a verse, harmonizing power and elegance in a symphony of speed. To step inside is to enter a realm where the boundaries between technology and artistry blur. The dashboard, a celestial arrangement of analog poetry and digital innovation, reflects an ethos of luxury unmatched. Materials, rare, sumptuous, and storied, seem to carry the soul of a Venetian craftsman. Titanium gleams like constellations in the night, while the seats, a marriage of fine leather and carbon fiber, embrace their occupant with the reverence of royalty. Underneath its flawless exterior lies an engine that is not merely mechanical but mythical, a 6.0-liter AMG V12 twin-turbo, resonating with 802 horses of unbridled power. It ascends from 0 to 100 km height in 2.7 seconds, a blink of an eye transformed into eternity. Against challengers like the McLaren Speedtail and Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut, the Huayra BC Concept doesn't compete, it transcends. With a price exceeding $3 million, owning this marvel is not a transaction but a covenant. Maintenance becomes a ritual, insurance a badge of exclusivity, and depreciation a myth whispered in envy. The driving experience is nothing less than metaphysical. Each curve is a brushstroke, each acceleration a signature on the canvas of existence. The only flaw? The bittersweet realization that even perfection must end. Dare to embrace a masterpiece. The Pagani Huayra BC Concept awaits your journey.